Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein. This is Vehicle Versions, and today we are going to the Long Beach Grand Prix. Ready to go to Long Beach? Yeah? Nice Huracan Evo. What a champion, a moped on the highway. No way, this guy is playing real life Mario Kart, driving a go-kart down the street in Long Beach. What are you doing? Thank you, sir. That is incredible. First a moped on the highway, and then a go-kart on the street and the sidewalk. I guess people are really getting into the spirit of the Grand Prix. I am so excited for this event. It's not an actual M5, but I gotta say, this E39 is pretty sick. Turn my life around. Easily one of the coolest parts about the Long Beach Grand Prix is that it's actually on the streets of Long Beach. Check it out. Porsche is going down the straightaway of Pine Avenue behind me. Literally the exact same streets with intersections that you or I would go to the movie theater shut down with the new 992 Cup Car. Just reviewed the 992 GT3. I can't even imagine how epic the Cup Car version is. Cars are so loud, it's ridiculous! Imagine coming to a Long Beach race and renting a swan boat. Not a bad way to enjoy the race, I guess. Inside the ballroom now, where they have an Acura and Honda display, it's pretty cool to see not only a normal Acura, but also an NSX and then an IndyCar and Le Mans car. Crazy to think the same brand that makes this also makes this. Take a look at Honda's IndyCar. This thing is insane. One of my favorite parts about the Long Beach Grand Prix is it's not just an IndyCar race. As you saw, there was Porsche Cup Car racing. Then they have Formula Drift, IndyCar, and they even have these super trucks, which I've never seen before. So if I get all my information wrong, I apologize. But check out these small trucks with crazy suspension that are actually gonna hit massive jumps around a road course later tonight. Having done a tiny bit of off-roading and riding in a Baja 1000 car with BJ Baldwin, I can't imagine how fun driving one of these things on a road course and going over jumps is. That is epic. Check this out. These guys are working on this really cool Porsche 962 Le Mans car. This slant nose Porsche is absolutely insane. I'm in love with the livery. Take a look at this. The 5.5 liter naturally aspirated V8 from the C8R. This carbon airbox is insane. It was actually used as the development engine for the new Corvette Z06. Can't wait to see that thing come out, but look at the C8R. The new NSX Type S. Updated front bumper. I can't tell if I like the new gen version more than the last gen, but honestly, really cool paintwork on this thing. It's funny, the NSX was honestly ahead of its time. Now with the 296 GTB coming out with the V6 turbo, as well as the McLaren Artura, this is kind of the original hybrid supercar. Here it is again, the Sheriff Tesla. Pretty wild. Absolutely stunning blue Ferrari SF90. Next to it, we've got a gorgeous GT2 RS. And then let's check out the new GT3 Cup Cars. Here we've got the Road Car 992 GT3 next to the Race Car 992 Cup Car. Notice a little bit of the differences. Fenders are much wider. We've got bigger vents in the hood. We've also got a little air inlet for more cooling of the engine. Still got the same swan neck design for the wing, but obviously much bigger in the race car on racing slicks, but basically a race car for the road. Porsche Cup Cars coming through after the race. How cool is this? So I'm with Carblip at the Long Beach Grand Prix, and they actually were able to get my Shelby GT500 into the showroom floor. This thing looks absolutely epic sitting here. Nice little Vehicle Versions windshield banner too. We even have a claw machine at the Carblip booth. What do you think of the show, Ketchup? You like it? How sick is this Acura prototype? Look how cool the rear mounted turbochargers are on the slant nose Porsche. That is so epic that you can see it under the rear bumper. Look at this funny car. Apparently makes 10,000 horsepower and runs the quarter mile with a trap speed of 325 miles an hour. Imagine what that would be like. Get a load at the size of those rear tires. That is ridiculous. Look how tight it is in the driver's seat. That's gotta be horrifying. How cool is this anime style wrap job on the new NSX? I think that actually looks really epic. This dude just paraglided into the Long Beach Grand Prix. That is insane. Look how gorgeous this F40 painting is. Mans prototype DPI cars on the same track at the same time as the GT3 cars, they're literally 35, 40 seconds ahead of the GT3 cars, which are already fast, and it's on the first lap. I'm curious what your guys' favorite GT3 car is. The Huracan GT3 and the McLaren 720S GT3 have my heart, but man, this is so sick. All the race cars are directly below me in the tunnel right now. I'm pretty sure that's my friend's apartment up there. Imagine the view of the track. That is amazing. At the track with ketchup. BMW leading the pack in the GT3 class. Look at the point of view from the prototype car. That looked absolutely terrifying. Oh my God. I wish I could convey on video how insane the feeling of cars going 180 miles an hour underneath a tunnel right below you is, but you gotta come here next year just to see it for yourself. Something I'm incredibly excited to see for the first time ever is the Super Trucks event. Check this out. They go over insane jumps while racing each other. Next up, we've got some historic races. These cars are absolutely insane. Check this out, random parking lot find, beautiful McLaren Senna SVJ and SV. Well guys, there you have it. What I love so much about the Long Beach Grand Prix is we got to see 911 GT3 cars, then Le Mans prototypes, more GT3 cars, trucks jumping, and Formula Drift cars all at one event, and now there's a rock concert going on. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.